Hi guys, if you're looking for a smart, versatile battery charger, this 15A lead acid LiFePO4 charger is a great choice. It works with a 12-volt and 24-volt load acid batteries like AGM, GL, SLA, and LiFePO4. You can use it for your car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, or even your boat. This charger has a 9-stage quick charging system and smart repair function. It can help fix battery issues like sulfation and extending the life of your battery so you get stronger start and longer battery performance. It's also super safe. The charger has built-in protective for reverse polarity, short circuits, overcharge, and overheating, so you don't have to worry while you charge. Another cool feature is a memory function. It remembers your last settings, so you can just plug it in and go. Plus, it has a trickle charge mode that keeps your battery healthy during the winter or long breaks. This charger is easy to use and must have for your garage, whatever your car enthusiast and motorcyclist or just want to keep your batteries in great shape.